No, no. Even on the traces screen.
Yeah.
Just one person in the car?
Yep. All right, David. You said you have a driver's license? You said you have a driver's license?
Yes, I just.
So what I need you to do is step out of the vehicle.
What?
Well, first let me ask you one more time. Do you have anything in the vehicle? I need to know.
Why are you shining that in my face? I can't.
So I can
I'm
see in
trying
the
to
car.
talk to you, but you're shining that light in my fucking eyes.
Do you have anything in the vehicle? Because you've got a history of narcotics.
I know, and y'all always me just because I have a history. Can I get my ticket?
Well, all right.
Dude, can I just get my ticket and go, dude? I pulled in front of him. I'm sorry.
Hey, David.
I'm just trying to go to my house, man. I'm not stepping out of the car.
Step out of the car.
I am not. You better call your supervisor or something. Y'all are
Bam,
breaking.
he's right there.
I'm the sergeant.
Dude,
He's asking you to step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out of my car.
You have two choices. You can step out under your own power, or...
This is bull. I just got this car.
Okay.
Why can't you give me?
But we need you to step out of the car.
Now.
You have two choices. You can step out of the car,
Or I can drag you out.
or we can tase you.
Am I
Do you
right?
want to get tased?
Why are y'all doing this?
Because you're refusing to follow a lawful order. I need you to step out
It's
of the
not a
car.
lawful order.
It is a lawful order, and I will tase you if you do not get out of the car.
Man, this is
You have a choice. Get out of the car under your own power,
Please call
or
your
I will.
supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
Please.
I'm a
call-
sergeant. Step out of the vehicle
I don't-
now.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Oh, I did it. Driving infraction. Please.
Yeah, and I told you already you need to get out of the car because the car's getting towed, too.
If you step out and be cool, this will go a whole lot better than if you make me tase you and force you out of the
How
car.
can you do this, man?
Step out of the car.
Y'all are violating my rights. That's by force and fear.
Then
You're
okay.
violating my
Look,
rights.
I don't know where you got your law degree.
I don't have a law.
Then
degree.
shut up and get out of the car.
I'm not getting out, dude. This is. Call your supervisor.
I
Call
am the supervisor.
Help. I am not.
Get out of the car.
Danger, please don't tase me, sir.
Then get out of the car.
Please, sir, stop this.
Step out.
Call the supervisor, please.
Do you see this?
Supervisor, dude.
I want your supervisor.
Well, she's not here. That would be the captain. Step out of the car. Hey, don't
I'm
be
answering
reaching
my
for.
phone.
Get off the phone
These cops
now.
violate my
Hang up,
rights.
dude.
We're gonna.
Ain't
That's
nobody
it.
in the neighborhood. Please
I'm gonna
pull up.
tase you in 3,
Pull up.
2,
I'm-
1. Do you want it or not?
You can't shoot me. I'm not doing anything.
I'm not going to shoot you. I'm going to tase you. There is a difference. Or I can
Why?
deploy OC because you've been given a lawful command to step out of the
There's no
car.
Lawful command to step out of the car. I don't have to.
Get out of the car, or I will
No,
tase you and I will
right.
drag you. You can turn on your own camera, but you're on both of our cameras.
This is
Step,
driving infraction.
David.
Just write me my ticket.
David, step out of the car.
Just write me
I'm
the
not going to
ticket.
tell you again. Get out of the car now.
This is a driving infraction, please, sir.
Get out of the car because I have to tow it. And I can't tow it with you in it.
You don't have to tow it.
Get
I
out.
do. I told you I'm towing it.
Why?
Get out of the car. Taser. I'm going to hit him. Are you ready?
Ready?
Get out of the car.
Oh! What the?
Get out of the car.
Get out!
Back up. You want to get sprayed?
No.
Get out!
Okay.
Now!
I'm getting out.
Get out of the damn car! Now, or I will spray you on the ground!
On the ground!
Man, I don't want to go to jail.
Get out of the car! Get out now! I will spray you again!
Okay.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground now!
On the ground!
Please stop. Stop. Please. Why are you doing this?
Get out!
Why are you doing this? Please stop. Help.
Get out of the car.
Violate my rights.
Get out of the
Matt,
car!
please. Matt, please help. That's my
Dude.
friend. Please help. Stop. You're violating
David,
Stop!
get out of the car.
Stop!
Stay in the car.
Man, help!
Left arm.
Help!
I got this arm.
Man, help! Help! Help!
Get out of the car.
Help!
Thing's not even in gear.
Help!
David, you want to get sprayed again? I'm going to spray you again. Get out of the car. Get out.
Help!
You got him.